The first question comes in mind in all of you. It is what is computer? Nowadays, in all the fields, use of computer is important, and most of you all are familiar with the computer. That is how it looks, which are the parts, and so on. Yet some of you may not be. In this session, we are introducing you the various parts of computer, that is hardware parts. Meaning of the computer, not only the CPU, this is, and the monitor, not this, keyboard. The all devices have the meaning, and it is divided into many system units. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process the data. You may already know that Android phones, same way you can use computer for send emails, play game, and browse the web with the help of internet. This diagram is about USB ports and the other connection which we are doing to connect the output and input devices. You can see here the many ports are available. It is used to make connection with the output and input devices. USB ports comes with CPU to connect keyboard and mouse. Here it looks like a circle, but nowadays USB ports are coming. So with the days coming, it is differently showing you the ports on the CPU. The first is line in port, microphone jack, line out jack. The position may be different in the CPU, but the port name will be same. RJ45 Ethernet port. This is the Ethernet port, means we can do your LAN connections. Firewire port, USB ports. Here you can attach the pen drives and other devices. VGA port. VGA port is nothing but you can attach the monitor's fire. DVI port, it is digital video port, and the VGA video graphics array, and the digital audio output, digital audio input. VS, this is personal system. Bar 2 mouse port, this is the mouse port. Nowadays it comes in a USB ports. PS bar 2 keyboard port, it is also, you can see it now in USB ports. Hardware and softwares. I have already told you that hardware means not only the monitor, keyboard and mouse, the CPU. It is divided into various system units. So we will going to study one by one about go through that. Next, all of the electronic and mechanical equipment in a computer is called the hardware. For example, motherboard, hard disk, RAM, power supply, processors, case, monitor and keyboard. Mouse, this is the hard disk, RAM. Software. The term software is used to describe computer programs that perform a task or tasks. It means various tasks, not only one task. On a computer system, software can be grouped as follows. System software, that is operating software. In computer, we have various operating systems like Windows 7, 8 and 10. Also, we have Linux operating system. On that, the versions are separated, like Fedora, Red Hat, and many more are there. Next is application software. The application softwares are work on operating systems. So we have Word, Paint, and many Word apps are there. So SolidWorks, etc. PC components, computer system, collection of electronic and mechanical devices operating as a unit. The main parts are, this is the first one, CPU, that is system unit, where the logical operations can be done in the CPU, monitor to see the output, keyboard to enter inputs or to type. The mouse is used to point or click on the icons, and speakers. System unit. The system unit is the main container for system devices. It protects the delicate electronic and mechanical devices from damages. Typically, the system unit divides includes motherboard. In this, you have the motherboard. This is the CPU image and the CPU processors. Processors are available in this only. We will see this in next video. What is the parts in this are available. So memory to store the all the processes, all the logical operations, disk drives, ports, USB ports, etc., and the power supply, extension card, sound card, network card, graphics card, etc. Peripheral devices are the devices that connect to the system unit using cables or wireless technologies. That means the pen drive you can use here, CD drive, or the wireless technology means Bluetooth. With the help of Bluetooth, you can connect this or the Wi-Fi. Typical peripheral includes monitor, keyboard, printer, plotter, scanner, speakers. Rather than the keyboard, we have all these are output devices. Only the keyboard is the input device here. And the plotter, this design is, that means the image is about plotter. You have seen these all, but not the plotter. So this is the image for you guys. So this is it for this session. We will see next in the next session. Thank you.